Picture a small classroom under a low moon, candles on the windowsill, and a chalkboard that reads, Pedagogy of the Vulva. You lean forward. You want to learn. You want to meet someone. And you want to understand the map of desire with curiosity, care, and a little wonder. This is a lesson for adults only, curious, consenting adults. Once upon a time, there was an old urban legend. A teacher who carried a mirror and a tiny atlas, a secret syllabus that taught people how to listen to their bodies and to each other. People said the teacher could help anyone learn how to name, learn, and celebrate the vulva without shame. Tonight, we open that syllabus. First, the obvious and the beautiful. The vulva is a landscape, not a single point. It has hills, valleys, colors, and textures. Every body is different. That is the first most practical lesson of pedagogy. Observe before you assume. Use a mirror like a map. Look, notice, say the names out loud. Vulva, labia, clitoral hood, urethra, vaginal opening. Simple words that take power from mystery. Naming is the smallest ritual of self-respect, and it turns gossip into knowledge. Next, try a quiet experiment from our mythical teacher. The 5-minute field notes. Sit somewhere private. Breathe without trying to change anything. Write down sensations, thoughts, color, memories that appear, no judgment, just data. This is adult learning. Collect information. Reflect, repeat. Over time, patterns emerge. You become your own reliable guide. There's also an old superstition. The Moonflower ritual. It's not magic. It's a timetable. Once a month, set aside gentle time to learn your body's rhythm. Track what feels different, what comforts you, what drains energy. Think like a scientist and a poet. That one. The occult part is the reverence you give yourself. The practical part is better health and better communication with part. Play is a must. Create simple, consent-first exercises you can try with a me partner. It's a language game where you teach each other 2 preferred words and 2 hard no's. A listening exercise where one person describes sensations while the other repeats them back. These are tools from Pedagogy's scaffolded learning. Feedback loops, small steps. If you love stories, imagine the Pedagogue's mirror, a small hand mirror passed between lovers like a talisman. When you look together, you practice curiosity and care. Hold boundaries clearly. Ask Mayor, mean it. Listen hard to the answer. Finally, treat this like any good study. Read reliable sources, visit a clinician when in doubt, attend workshops led by qualified educators. Respect privacy and consent.
Remember the urban legend's last line.
Knowledge taken with kindness becomes pleasure. Knowledge taken without care becomes harm. So go on, open the atlas, say the names, take your note, practice consent, and teach someone the art of listening. The classroom is everywhere, and the lesson never ends.